Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and this is the Simple Stamping and Paper Crafts. And today we are doing, I know some of you have already seen this, it's been around for a long time. It is actually called a tea holder, but we are using this for Halloween treats. So you can see I put some Ghirardellis in there. You can use the little miniature gummy bears, you can use the little miniature M&Ms. It's just really quick and easy, and for those who are beginners, this is a super way to start off creating some really cute little treats for the kids. So it has two sides, and so you can fit the Ghirardelli, you can fit it either way, long ways or like that. So this is what I'm sharing today, and I'm going to show you just a little tiny trick to step it up just a little bit. Alright, so let's get started. So you do need a piece of 6x6. I am once again using the same sentiment and the designer series paper that I used in my project yesterday. So if you saw the card that I made, I used this Monster Bash. And so this is the designer series paper. We're going to use this one this time. And I did use the same paper that I used on the card that I created for the other one. So this is what we're using, and it needs to be 6x6. It's very, very simple. The stamp set that I'm using is the Everything Festive, same stamp set. And so this is another way you can use it. This is a great one for treat bags and very quick and easy cards. It has everything on here. It's got Christmas, and it's got Valentine's, it's got a P.S. I love you, and it says wishing you peace, love, and laughter in the new year for the new year. So this is a very versatile one. So this is a great one to have. And then all we're going to do is get ready to score it. Alright, so I got my Simply Scored here, and just decide which side you want your design to be on. You could do it this side or this side. We're going to use the bats on the outside. So the first thing you're going to do here before I score is we are going to match up the ends and make sure they're really even here, and then you are going to fold it down. I usually like to do this on the surface here, make sure both sides are even. And I do push it down first with my thumb, and then I'll go back and just reinforce that. So this is your closed end right here. Now we're ready to score. We are going to score by putting that scored end right there, and you are going to score it at 1/2 inch this way. And then I'm just going to flip it over and do it at 1/2 again. If it doesn't score all the way through, you don't have to do this if it scores all the way through. I want to make sure I have a really good definite score there. Alright, and then we're going to turn it and we're going to put that scored end again. See, this is the open side here. And you're going to score it at 2 3/4. And I'm kind of pressing down because I want to make sure that scores. And then on this one, to flip it over and do it the same on the other side at 2 3/4. And you're always keeping that closed side to the top here. Alright, and that is it for our scoring. So now what you're going to do is open it up. If you want to, you can reinforce all the score marks that you did. And I like to do that. It's not really necessary, but it does help. And then you are just folding these ends in like that so you can see where you got it already. Now we're going to Mountain Valley fold this. So we're going to fold that, fold this center one in, and then fold this back up like that. And then I do reinforce the bottom. So this makes a really, really quick and easy one. If you want to make these for classrooms, it's perfect for that. So we are going to use our hole punch, and we're going to just punch a hole here. This time I'm going to use some Whisper White. ribbon here. And this is 3/8 inch. This is all Stampin' Up. I'm going to cut these. And then I'm going to use some basic black baker's twine this time on here. Before I did it the opposite. I did the baker's twine white and the ribbon black. And then we're just going to tie a bow here. If they're for boys and they don't like the bow, you can just knot it. I think the bow really is cute, and it is as simple as that. Isn't that cute? Now the next thing that we're going to do is we are just going to use a piece of Whisper White, and this is for a sentiment. It is 2.5 by 1 3/4. I'm going to take my stamp and we're going to ink it up with Memento Black. And if you want to leave your sentiment a little bit bigger, I'm going to use the other one. I cut 2 pieces, but that one seemed a little off. Make sure that you have this all on here. Just stamp that. And there's our little sentiment. We're going to turn it over, add some adhesive, and I'm just adding it to both sides here and the bottom. And we are going to set that right in the center. And it kind of makes your pocket a little bit more closed. So I'll just grab another Ghirardelli. We'll stick that in here. And there's your treat holder. Isn't that cute? And then just put another one on in this side. So here there, you can use any of the Designer Series paper. It's super cute. I love this pack of Designer Series paper. And these are super quick and easy. Here's another way. I'm just going to show you really quickly if you want to add something to it. So what I did was I took the Wonderfully Wicked and I stamped the bat, and I did fussy cut him because I just wanted to show you really quick. If you wanted to step it up a bit, I'm going to add a dimensional to the back. So here it is, and I cut it out. I'm just going to add a dimensional right to the back, and we're going to just add this to the corner up here. So it gives it just a little bit more, but look how cute. And you can just step it up, but otherwise you don't have to do that. If you have a scan and cut, you can scan and cut a bunch of them and do it that way. It's just super fun, so just play with it. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.